moving on with this. We're in a parking lot. Cool, cool. Uh-oh. Hit the curb.
Oh.
Hey, we're in a parking lot. I'm okay with this. Just wear gear so if something like this happens, you're not hurt.
Why ain't you hit the back brake? I got it.
Yeah, goddamn.
Oh, his phone's on the ground. If he was using a rock form mount, it probably wouldn't. Grab yourself a rock form mount and get 25% off with the link in the description. Hey, I got to use every opportunity. I got to pay the bills too. Looks like he split his pants. You guys see that? No, don't ask me why I was looking. He split his pantalones. You know I love having my phone on the handlebars so I can see what turns are coming up utilizing my GPS. The best way I think you could do that is using the rock form mount. I use it for my mountain bike, the little FTRs, and then also the big boy FTR that I ride. And guys, links in the description for a discount. Check it out. You're gonna like it, and I'll be seeing you around.